Hi everyone, I'm Angel from dreamylittlenails and welcome to my channel. This is kind of my first time using my face on social media and talking at the same time, so I'm a bit nervous, but here we are. I want to give a special shout out to Evie from Long Hair Pretty Nails because she recreated my cherry blossom nails and brought so many of you guys to my channel. I hope that you guys liked what you've seen so far and continue watching. So today is super exciting because I have $3,000 and 50 pounds worth of Korean gel nail products gifted to me from Sweetie Nail Supply, with the exception of a Jello lamp which I ordered myself. For those of you who don't know, Sweetie Nail Supply is a Canadian-based nail supplier. They mostly import Korean products, and in the year or so that they've opened, they've actually worked so hard to bring in so many different Korean brands, and they're always bringing in the latest and greatest Korean gel collections, even ones that have sold out in Korea. And they are a small family-based business, so they really work hard and they're really good at what they do, so please be kind to them. I love shopping with them, and you'll see that in a lot of the tutorials that I make and nail designs that I do. A lot of the products I use are from Sweetie Nail Supply. I am also one of their brand ambassadors, and I have a discount code DREAMY for 10% off if you decide to shop with them, and I definitely think you should. With that said, let's start unboxing and see what we have. I'm gonna start with the smaller box. So I actually had to wait 2 weeks with this big box at home because there were some newer arrivals that they were waiting on, which they wanted to send to me as well. So I can't believe I did it, but I actually managed to not open this huge box for 2 weeks while I waited for this one to come. She always draws me a little picture. It's my favorite thing. First up, we have the Magic Liner Glitter Line Gel by Yogurt Nail. Their collections always come with a swatch card like this one. I already own 3 of their collections, and one of my favorite ones is the gelato one because of the summer syrup colors. This is one of their newest collections, and it is a set of 6 glitter liner gels. Each tube has a built-in liner brush inside, so you can get straight into your nail art without using another brush. The viscosity of the gel is quite thick, but it's not hard to use. It is difficult though if you want to do really thin lines, which you will need a thinner brush for. At first this seems like a lot of silver glitter, but actually 2 of them are reflective flash glitters, and one of them is a metallic silver. Here are the swatches up close. Next is Divac, but hold on, we're gonna get back to this one a bit later. Sweetie Nail Supply always does a really good job making sure everything is bubble wrapped nice and tightly. Next up, we have Nail Bio's Dewy Nudie Gels. You might have heard or seen her before. She is a popular Korean nail artist who has created her own line of syrup gels. She does extremely classy and elegant designs. If you want to recreate her nails, the best way is to get her gels. Besides the syrup gels, there's also a glitter silver and glitter gold. If you watch my Sakura nail tutorial, the base color of the nails is actually the dewy nudie pink color. It was also the color that I used for the nails I was wearing for the tutorial. And her newest shade is this Jade Syrup Green. It is super pretty. I absolutely love the formula of her syrup gels because they level out very well, even with just one coat. So far she has released a total of 9 colors. They are all available for individual purchase at Sweetie Nail Supply. They do not come with a color card. And now we're back to this beautiful swatch display. This is Divac's newest collection called Once in a Summer. This is absolutely my favorite display ever. I really love that this collection is inspired by different things in the summertime, and these photos are all incorporated into the display with a beautiful wooden stand. Now let's take a look at the actual polishes and open those up. I love this packaging so much. I love how clean it looks with the white and the embossed letters. I love the greenery of the base of the box, which matches with the wooden display stand. And when you look at the bottles inside, they're also all white. The collection comes with 5 syrup gels, 3 cat eye gels, 1 reflective glitter, and 1 glitter flake. And they have included a magnet for those 3 cat eye magnetic gels. Once you take out one of the polishes, you can see that the bottom half of the bottle will show you what the color is. I have every single one of Unbox collections, and I just absolutely love their formula and love their product. There's a ton of variety in this collection. Here's a better look at all the colors. It is also HEMA free, 13 free, and also vegan. I think this summer collection comes at a great price considering how high quality it is and how beautifully it's made, from the colors to the packaging. Next up is the Jello Fit Me nail tips. They come in 3 different shapes: the coffin, almond, and also the stiletto shape. Each box has 360 pieces and 12 different sizes. Let's see how these look compared to the nails that I'm wearing right now. First up, this is the almond shape. And you can see it's pretty similar to my almond medium nail tips. Second one is the stiletto shape. This one is pointier and a bit longer. And the third one, we have our coffin shape. And this one is similar in length to the stiletto. I'm sure many of you guys know June Nails, and you've seen her use these Fit Me tips a lot. I've always liked the coffin shape from her tutorials, and now I finally have some. I'll be adding all 3 of these nail shapes to my press-on nail shop, so if you're one of my customers, keep an eye out for that to come. Next up, we have another collection by Yogurt Nail. It is their glass beads collection. I think this actually might be my first ever full collection of cat eye magnetic glitter polishes. I've seen lots of videos of these polishes in action, and so I already know how beautiful they are. This collection comes with 10 different colors. Each of these cat eye glitters actually have 2 tones to it, and they're also very iridescent. There is a color chart included inside. So cat eye polishes are always a bit tricky, and it's hard to do them very consistently. I'm still practicing to get better at them. They're also very hard to film on video, and so before I show you guys my swatches, I want to show you my friend Johanna's nails using glass bead MG10. She is a master at cat eye, and this is just MG10 in the video. It's so beautiful. If you're a fan of cat eye nails, you have to check her out. She is Artisan on Instagram. My swatches here honestly do not do these polishes justice, so make sure you go on Johanna's page or more videos online of these done on nails. They are way prettier in person. Now we're at the end of our first box, and what do we have here? So this is the Dear Spring collection by More. It comes with a really cute color card, and there are 8 different syrup polishes in the color of the rainbow. This is my first gel collection from More, and I was really impressed by how smooth this bottle was. It just felt so nice. I also wanted to take a peek in a few of these bottles because the outside bottle color is pretty vibrant, but on the inside it is more pastel. I realized that the pastel shades in this collection are actually quite different from a lot of other ones that I already own. These ones are pastel but a bit more muted, if you know what I mean. Alright guys, I've gone through box 1. So that's done. And now I am going to open box 2. Now is also your time to take a washroom break while I struggle opening up the second box. Okay, I'm just going to take everything out first because this box obviously is huge. This is I believe this is the Jello lamp that I ordered. Alright, so our first collection in the new box is by Vella, and forgive me because I have no idea how to pronounce this. My best guess is bling bling, like bling bling, twinkle twinkle stars. I was in love with these colors as soon as I opened this box. Like, the bottles look so pretty and they're pastel, which is my favorite. It comes with a swatch card, which I love, and this one is actually double-sided, so you can do your swatches on both sides or either side. Look how pretty the bottle is. I love that it says recipe in the front. I think that is so cute. So now this is my second collection of cat eye glitter gels. These ones are also two-toned and they have a tinted colored base. And if you look closely into the glitter, you'll see some subtle tinsel glitters, which are thinner and longer in shape. I think this is a really fun cat eye collection and perfect for summer. I'm super excited for this collection because I already know what it is and I've wanted it. So it is Moore's Art Liquid second collection. I have their first one. Their art liquids had been all the rage in Korea. They sold out 2 times already. They give you a cute pink ribbon to tie onto the swatch card, which is this one right here. There are 10 colors in this collection and they're mostly pastel, brighter shades. One of them is an iridescent glittery shade. Make sure to shake up all of the art liquids before using them. These art liquids are used to create a watercolor effect. They dry very quickly and do not need to be cured under your lamp. I wouldn't say that these are super easy to use. They take a bit of practice to get used to, but they're definitely very fun and you can do a lot of cute designs, abstract designs with them. Next up is this cotton candy collection, and this is by Izumi. Here is the swatch card on the inside. So this collection has a total of 10 different colors. They're under the type Pearl and Glitter. And it also comes with 1 extra art glitter. And this is what it looks like inside, basically iridescent flakes. And this is what one of the colors looks like, and I'm doing this really quick because the sun came out and I'm afraid they'll cure my gels. I had a lot of fun doing the swatches for this collection. Like, look how pretty the hearts and bows are. So this collection has 10 syrupy pastel colors mixed in with fine glitters. If you wanted a bigger glittery effect, you can use the art gel. Next up is the Jello I'm Pro lamp, and this is something that I ordered myself and I wanted it for a very long time. It is a handheld UV torch, which is this here. It's super light, way lighter than I thought it would be. And it also comes with a stand. I love how pretty and simple the design is. So when you don't want to hold on to the torch, you can just place it into the stand and then simply turn it to lock it in place. The light has a touch sensor at the bottom, which makes it very easy for you to do your own gel extensions. Finally, it's time to unbox the last collection, the heaviest box. It is by Liave, and I have never tried any of their polishes before, so I'm super excited. Look how pretty these are. This bottle feels so beautiful and so luxurious. And here are the other colors. There are 4 boxes in total and 100 polishes. So I saved the best for last. This is the Liave 100-piece gel polish collection. They're all bottle polishes and they come in beautiful lipstick-like bottles, which I really love. They're so beautiful, and it even comes with a swatch chart with everything. All the colors are swatched for me already, which is great. It'll save me so much time. And now I'm going to open these 2 boxes, which I believe are a display stand for the whole collection. Ta-da! This is so beautiful. So I'm just going to set this up so you can see the full collection on display. So this is the whole haul, $3,000 worth of Korean nail gel products from Sweetie Nail Supply. Thank you, Sweetie Nail Supply, for sending me these goodies. I'm super excited to try out all of these polishes and to let you guys know how I think about them. You guys will definitely see them in my upcoming nail designs and nail tutorials. Be sure to check out Sweetie Nail Supply. They have tons of products and new arrivals all the time. And thank you for watching this haul, and I'll see you guys next time.